In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add symbols in PDF. If you need to insert a currency sign, a check mark, a copyright symbol, a mathematical character, or any other special symbol into a PDF, this is a simple way to do it using Adobe Acrobat. The process is quick once you know where to click, and it works especially well when you want to place a symbol inside existing text or add it in a brand new text box. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to edit is already on screen. Before making any changes, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you have the correct file open, especially if you're working with several similar documents. That helps prevent editing the wrong PDF by mistake. Once your document is open, click on Edit. This puts Acrobat into editing mode so you can change or add content inside the PDF. If the option takes a moment to load, that's normal, especially with larger files. Next, click directly into the text field where you want the symbol to appear. If the PDF already contains editable text, you can place your cursor exactly where you want the symbol inserted. If there isn't an existing text area where you need it, you can instead click Text under the Add Content section to create a new text box. This gives you flexibility depending on whether you're updating existing content or adding something completely new. Now for the quickest part of the process, inserting the symbol itself. One of the easiest methods is to copy the symbol from your computer's built-in character map or a similar character viewer tool and then paste it directly into the text box in your PDF. This is often faster than trying to find special characters inside the PDF editor itself, and it gives you access to a wide range of symbols. After you paste the symbol, take a moment to check how it looks in the document. Sometimes the font used in the PDF may affect how the symbol appears. So if it doesn't look quite right, you may need to try a different symbol style or make sure the text box is active before pasting again. If you created a new text box, you can also adjust its placement so the symbol lines up neatly with the rest of the content. That's all it takes to add symbols to a PDF. Open the file in Adobe Acrobat, go into edit mode, select an existing text field or create a new one, then copy and paste the symbol you need from your computer's character tool. It's a straightforward method, and once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to repeat in any PDF you need to update.